Alright folks, today we're taking on a legend, the one and only Tesla Roadster. But this isn't the sleek, futuristic EV you're imagining. Nope, this one looks like it was forgotten in a time capsule. With the time capsule left open in a junkyard, dead battery, faded paint, and an interior that screams, "Don't sit here." But trust me, by the end, you'll barely recognize it. Stick around. You won't believe this transformation. Look at that logo. It's still holding on, but just barely. Tesla would probably deny this ever came out of their factory. First step, get it into the shop. This little EV hasn't seen the light of day in years. Time to bring it back to life. Goodbye, dust and grime. Hello, potential. Beneath all that dirt, this car has some serious charm. Here's the heart of the problem. Literally, this battery is deader than my houseplants. Let's get it replaced with something that actually works. The paint looks like it's been through a sandstorm. Time for a fresh coat of brilliance. Every stroke of the sander brings us closer to the car's glory days. This is where the magic begins. Boom! Just look at that glossy red finish. This Tesla is starting to shine like it should. The interior needed a complete overhaul. Now it's as futuristic as the car itself. A cockpit worthy of Elon's vision. All right, the moment of truth. Will it charge? Will it power up? Or will it, well, let's not think about that. Yes, we have life. This electric beast is back in business. Driving this beauty is like piloting a piece of history. It's smooth, silent, and oh so satisfying. Every curve of the road feels like a victory. If a forgotten Tesla Roadster can shine again, so can anything. What restoration should we tackle next? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible transformations. If a forgotten Tesla Roadster can shine again, so can anything. What restoration should we tackle next? Drop your ideas in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible transformations.